How to make Claude AI create documents for you. Now, if you want Claude AI to create documents for you, you just simply need to open chats with Claude AI and tell it to create a document. Then it will ask necessary questions to you on what kind of document that you would like it to make and asks you to provide the data that you want to include in your documents. And you can also directly give all of those data with the command of create a document. For example, write a great prompt including what kind of document you want and how long the documents needs to be and what kind of data that you would like to include in the documents. Now, I have commanded it to create a document, and accidentally, or just because of the previous chat where I've told Claude to create a poem book, it has created a document of poems like this. And after you send your prompt or request, after that Claude will similarly create this kind of document depending on what kind of document you have asked Claude to create. So this is how you can very easily make Claude AI to create documents. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.